Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall McAfee WebAdvisor and remove residual services, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall McAfee WebAdvisor, start by opening the control panel on your computer. Click on the Programs option in the control panel. Next, select Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, locate McAfee WebAdvisor. Right-click on McAfee WebAdvisor and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts in the Uninstallation wizard to complete the process. Once the uninstallation is finished, close the Programs and Features window. To remove any residual services, press the Windows key and simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Type msconfig in the Run dialog and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, navigate to the Services tab. Look for any McAfee-related services in the list. If you find any, uncheck the box next to the service to disable it. Now, click on the Startup tab. Select Open Task Manager to view startup items. In the Task Manager, look for any McAfee items in the list of startup programs. Right-click on any McAfee items and select Disable. After disabling, close the Task Manager. Return to the System Configuration window and click on OK to save your changes. You may be prompted to restart your computer. Do so to apply the changes. Once your computer restarts, check if McAfee WebAdvisor has been successfully removed. To ensure there are no leftover files, search for McAfee in File Explorer. Delete any remaining McAfee folders or files you find. Finally, empty your recycle bin to permanently delete any residual files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.